Have you ever wondered how your phone connects to network towers? It's a question you might not ponder often, but there's a symphony of technology playing out behind the scenes every time you make a call or use the internet on your mobile device. It all begins with a simple action on your part, perhaps tapping a contact's name or typing a web address. But behind that simplicity lies a world of complexity. It's a world where signals journey through the ether, where invisible pathways connect you to others, and where towering structures facilitate our modern, always-on communication. So, let's talk about network towers. These are not just tall structures dotting the landscape, they are the crucial link in our global communication chain. They are the guardians of our connectivity, the custodians of our calls, texts, and internet browsing sessions. Network towers are the silent sentinels, standing tall and strong, helping our devices talk to each other, helping us stay connected in an increasingly digital world. And what about the signals? They are the invisible messengers, zipping through the air, carrying our voices, our messages, our data. When you make a call, your phone converts your voice into a digital signal. This signal is then sent out, riding the waves of the electromagnetic spectrum, seeking the nearest network tower. It's a process that happens in the blink of an eye, but it's a process that underpins our modern world. Understanding how our phones connect to network towers and how signals are involved in this process is like peeling back the curtain on a grand show. It's a show where technology takes center stage, where innovation drives the narrative, and where we, the users, are the enthralled audience. Intrigued yet? Hold on to your curiosity as we dive deeper into this fascinating journey of signals and towers. It's a journey that's about to get even more interesting, so stay tuned as we unravel the mystery behind these curious connections. Scene script. Imagine you're making a call. The moment you dial, your phone sends out a signal. Now let's take a moment to understand what's actually happening here. Your phone, a marvel of modern technology, is essentially a sophisticated radio. It's equipped with a built-in antenna, a tiny but mighty component that plays a crucial role in transmitting signals. When you make a call or use the internet, this antenna leaps into action. The antenna converts the sound of your voice or the data from your internet activity into an electromagnetic wave. This wave is a form of signal that can travel through the air. In a blink, your phone's antenna releases this signal out into the world. Now, this isn't any random signal. It's a very specific one, tailored with unique information that helps it reach its destination. This information includes your phone's unique identification number, the number you're dialing, and data about the strength of your signal. All of this is encoded into the electromagnetic wave before it's sent on its journey. But what happens when you're browsing the internet? The process is quite similar. When you click a link or type an address into your browser, your phone converts that request into a signal. This signal is then transmitted through your phone's antenna, just like when you make a call. In both cases, whether you're making a call or using the internet, these signals are sent out at specific frequencies. Think of these frequencies like lanes on a highway, allowing multiple signals to travel without colliding into each other. And it's not just a one-way street. Your phone is constantly sending and receiving signals. It's this constant exchange that allows you to have a conversation or browse the internet. But where do these signals go? Let's follow their trail. The journey of a signal is a fascinating tale of unseen forces at work, a dance of invisible waves that enables our daily communication. But that's a story for the next scene. Stay tuned. The signals, like homing pigeons, know exactly where to go: the nearest network tower. But how does this happen? Let's take a look at how our everyday heroes, the network towers, function. These towering structures are essentially giant antennas, strategically placed by telecommunication companies. Their main job is to receive and transmit signals from our devices, such as our mobile phones, to the broader network. Now imagine a tower as a life-sized post office. Each signal it receives is like a letter containing unique information about the sender. That's our phone. This information includes your device's ID and the strength of your signal, which is crucial for the tower to understand how far away your device is. Once the tower gets a signal, it doesn't just sit on it, it gets to work. The tower's base station, which is like its brain, starts processing the signal. This involves converting the radio waves into a format that can be used to deliver your call or internet data to the intended recipient. And here's where things get really interesting. Each tower has multiple antennas, each covering a specific geographic area, or cell. Now, when a signal from your phone reaches the tower, it is received by the antenna covering the cell you are in. This is why we often refer to our mobile networks as cellular networks. But what if you're on the move, say in a car or a train? As you move from one cell to another, the network smoothly hands off your call or data connection from one antenna to another, without you even noticing. This is called a handover, and it's what makes it possible for us to roam around freely while staying connected. So in essence, the network tower is like a relay runner, receiving the baton, or in this case the signal, from your phone, and passing it on to the broader network. Now that our signal has reached the tower, what happens next? Let's find out. After the tower processes the signal, it doesn't just sit there, it sends a return signal back to your phone. Imagine the tower as a diligent post office. Once it receives your letter or signal, it doesn't just hold on to it, it has a job to do. It needs to respond. So, it sets to work, processing your request. It's like the tower is saying, "All right, got your signal, let's get you connected." The tower then sends a return signal back to your phone. This is the tower's way of confirming that it has received your signal and is now ready to assist you in making that call or using the internet. This return signal is essentially the tower saying, "Message received, we're good to go." Now, this might seem simple enough, but what's fascinating is how quickly all of this happens. In the blink of an eye, the tower processes the signal, sends a return signal, and your phone is ready to complete the task you've asked it to do. It's a marvel of modern technology and a testament to the incredible speed at which data is transmitted and processed, but it doesn't stop there. As you continue to use your phone, whether it's to make a call or browse the internet, the tower and your phone maintain a constant connection. They're continuously sending signals back and forth, ensuring that your call doesn't drop or your internet doesn't lag. It's like a never-ending conversation between your phone and the tower, a dialogue that keeps your connection alive and your communication seamless. But this ongoing exchange of signals is what allows you to have that long chat with your friend, watch that funny cat video, or send that important email. So the next time you pick up your phone to make a call or use the internet, remember the hard-working tower and the lightning-fast return signal that make it all possible. And just like that, your call is connected or your internet is up and running. So that's the epic journey your phone signal takes every time you make a call or use the internet. Let's take a moment to recap this thrilling saga. It all begins with your phone, a device that is so much more than just a piece of technology. It's a gateway, a portal that allows you to connect with the world. When you decide to make a call or access the internet, your phone springs into action, sending out a signal in search of a network tower. This signal, a radiant beacon of information, embarks on a journey. It travels through the air, overcoming obstacles and braving the elements, all in a quest to reach its destination. It's a journey that's both swift and seamless, covering vast distances in the blink of an eye. And what's its destination? A network tower standing tall and proud, ready to receive these signals. This tower, much like a lighthouse, guides these signals, ensuring they reach their destination safely. It's a vital part of this intricate dance between your phone and the wider world of communication. Once the signal reaches the tower, it's not the end of the journey. Far from it. The signal is then converted into a form that can be transmitted over the internet or phone lines. It's a transformation, a metamorphosis that allows your voice and data to travel across the globe. And then, the signal begins its return journey. It travels back to your phone, bringing with it the voice of your loved one or the information you sought. It's a round trip, an epic saga that happens in mere seconds, all thanks to the marvel of modern technology. This is the story of how your phone, signals, and network towers work together in harmony. They collaborate, they communicate, and they connect, allowing us to reach out to the world, to share, to learn, and to grow. The next time you use your phone, remember the incredible journey those signals are making just for you.